How's it going, guys? Sam here from Bracketron. We are your specialists in mounts and accessories for your smartphones, tablets, and anything else you could think of. A little bit different product we're reviewing today, but it is a product that we're coming out with. We're very excited about. As you know from Bracketron, we deal with smartphones, we deal with tablets, we deal with those kinds of devices. But this product we are also passionate about. Great way to keep your boats, garages, anything else organized. We call it the Griplox Suction Mount Tethers. Now this product offers a great portable solution for any sort of tarp covering, any sort of garage organization, anything you want to secure to your watercraft. These provide that great solution that you need. Now the main component of these is the suction cup itself. Obviously, if you're holding something down with these tethers, you're going to want it to be secure. Now this Temporbond suction cup is a suction cup that we've developed in many products here at Bracketron. It's stood the test of time, it's well reviewed, it holds tight, and it's easily maintained. And along with that, one of the best features of this is it doesn't leave any sort of residue when you're removing it, and it allows for a safe and secure hold when you are using it. Now the other component of this product is the elastic band itself. Obviously it gives you the ability to tie down, wrap up anything that you want a temporary solution for. Things like paddles on a boat, boat cover, jet ski cover, anything hanging in the garage. This gives you a mounting point and a secure tether to mount it with. Now the elastic bands, ultra strong, anything that you're going to want to use to tie these down with. Now the elastic bands themselves, highly durable. They'll be able to tie down anything that you're going to be wanting to keep secure. So these tethers provide a really simple solution, but it's a solution that there is a need for out there in the marketplace. Tons of people want to strap things down, want to secure things. Simple operation. It's as easy as placing where you want it, pulling down on the latch, locking in place, and this thing isn't going anywhere. You can yank, you can pull any amount of weight that you're comfortable with putting on your boat, on your garage, any spot. This thing's going to hold it strong. And again, the elastic bands themselves are able to stand up to anything that you can pull on. So again, these tethers provide that portable solution to you guys for covering up those boats, jet skis, any sort of tethers that you need. These provide that solution. Me personally, I love not having to install any sort of permanent hooks. I'm not drilling into anything. I don't want to mess up something. These provide that temporary solution, holds just as strong as anything that you're putting in permanently, any sort of hardcore install. This is going to be a better, cheaper, simpler solution for you. So on top of all those great benefits, we also decided to make this a tri-pack. So you guys are going to get not only one, but 3 items in this pack. Gives you the versatility to use them how you want. That about wraps it up for today's review, guys. Check out our website, www.bracketron.com. See more info about this product and other products that we have coming down. Give us a like and a subscribe on this video. We love keeping in touch with you guys, showing you guys what's coming out, what's coming down the pipeline. So thanks guys for watching.